Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 Outlook. There's been some minor changes with the midday update, so let's get started here. First off, the two slight risk areas over here and over here, they kind of converge them and include areas, a couple more areas like north central Kansas, okay? So, the slight risk has been merged into one slight risk. The two slights have been merged into one, okay? They encompass eastern Colorado, southwestern and southeastern Nebraska, much of Kansas, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, and the south central part of the UP of Michigan. Cities in today's slight include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Colorado Springs, Colorado, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Madison, Wisconsin. Alright, this marginal here remains the same. There's really no need to relook at the marginal. The storm prediction center, however, has added a second marginal for today, encompassing southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. Okay? This marginal here, the second marginal, okay? But the other marginal remains the same. Cities in today's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Denver, Colorado, Tucson, Arizona, Kansas City, Missouri, and Aurora, Colorado. So, the tornado threat remains the same, so there's really no need to go over the tornado threat. The wind threat kind of remains the same, except the storm prediction center has merged the two areas of the 15% wind risk areas. They kind of combine them into one. Alright, so this 15% encompasses east central Colorado, western and northern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, northern Missouri, most of Iowa, northwestern Illinois, much of Wisconsin, and south central part of the UP of Michigan. So, cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. So, this 5% wind risk here remains the same, so there's no need to go over that. And the Storm Prediction Center, however, has added a second 5% wind risk area today that encompasses southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. But the 5% over here remains the same, so no need to go over that. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Chicago, Illinois, Tucson, Arizona, Kansas City, Missouri, Colorado Springs, Colorado, and Lubbock, Texas. And now to the hail threat. Alright, the hail threat remains pretty much the same. The hail threat remains largely the same pretty much. There was a slight expansion of the 15% hail risk and a little bit of expansion of the black dashed area. The black dashed meaning the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. This 15% hail risk today now pretty much encompasses eastern Colorado, southwestern Nebraska, and western Kansas. And the black dashed area encompasses a tiny bit of southwest Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and east central Colorado. Okay? So, the black dash includes Cimarron Hills, Colorado, and Black Forest, Colorado. Again, the black dash is the highest potential for 2-inch in diameter hail or larger. The 15% hail risk today encompasses Colorado Springs, Colorado, Pablo, Colorado, Parker, Colorado, Castle Rock, Colorado, and Cimarron Hills, Colorado. And this 5% hail risk today remains the same, so there's really no need to... I'm not sure. I don't remember what it looked like with the 5%, but I'm going to go over the 5% hail risk anyway. The 5% hail risk today covers far southeastern corner of Wyoming, parts of central Colorado, northeast New Mexico, northwest Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Nebraska, most of Kansas, most of Iowa, northern Missouri, northwestern Illinois, central and southwestern Wisconsin, and southeastern Minnesota. The 5% hail risk today includes Denver, Colorado, Kansas City, Missouri, Omaha, Nebraska, Aurora, Colorado, and Lincoln, Nebraska. So, the summary, Scattered strong and severe storms are possible this afternoon and tonight from eastern Colorado eastward across the Central Plains into the western Great Lakes. Isolated damaging wind gusts are possible in southeast Arizona. So, that's the update I wanted to give. Those are the updates I wanted to give. So, stay safe in the affected areas today. Even the marginal, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms. But especially be safe in the slight. And I will have my Day 2 severe weather outlook very soon, so stay tuned for that. And in addition, I will have my fire weather outlook for Day 2 as well during the evening. Take care.